Hello everyone, every tip I'm going to give you here has been tested by professionals at the shop where I'm working, so don't worry, this has a solution. When your Nissan shows the message rear cross traffic alert unavailable, the first thing that might cross your mind is, did my rear radar break? But the truth is, most of the time it's not dramatic. The car is simply letting you know that the rear sensors aren't detecting cross traffic properly, so they shut off to avoid giving you incorrect information while backing up. The most common issue seen at the shop is dirty or blocked sensors. Mud, snow, ice, road salt, anything covering those small radars can confuse the system. Several mechanics mention that thoroughly cleaning the rear area and the sensors usually makes the message disappear almost immediately. It's like the car is saying, now I can see properly, thanks for cleaning. Sometimes it's not just dirt. The system may need a small reset. Turning off the car, waiting a few seconds, and then turning it back on allows the modules to recalibrate and start seeing traffic correctly again. Some even notice that simply driving a couple of minutes in a straight line makes the message go away, as if the system needs a little movement to recalibrate itself. Another interesting detail is that the RCTA shares sensors with other systems, like blind spot warning. If any of those systems are off or malfunctioning, the RCTA automatically deactivates and shows the message. That's why, in many cases, fixing or checking the blind spot system first also makes the rear cross traffic warning disappear. If all of the above fails, some mechanics recommend checking the software or modules. Sometimes the system needs an update for the sensors to sync correctly, or a scan with a professional tool may reveal a loose connector or a slightly damaged sensor. It's also a good idea to check the vehicle's assistant settings in the menu, as the system might be turned off without you realizing it.